So this song's called Bird of Paradise. I made it up, or I chose the song name on my way here. So this isn't what I usually use. So sorry if my fingers get a little messed up. But yeah. You don't